Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you on this beautiful day of Kuchipudi recital by the students of Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti and Guru Shri P. Nagajyoti and Abhinaya Nagajyoti. As we wait for our chief guest to arrive, let me start with talking about our gurus. Our gurus, Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti and Guru Shri P. Nagajyoti, have been teaching Kuchipudi in the capital for more than 4 decades. Their tryst with Kuchipudi took shape at Chennai under the tutelage of the legendary Kuchipudi Guru, Padma Bhushan late Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, at his Kuchipudi Art Academy. Guru Sita eventually taught at his institute for 15 years. After marriage, she came to Delhi, and both Sita ma'am and Nagajyoti sir together have been associated with Delhi Tamil Sangam, from where they have propagated Kuchipudi. They have many students who have received CCRT Junior Scholarship and Senior Scholarship from the Ministry of Culture. The students are also Doordarshan graded artists and have been recognized by Festivals of India Abroad, Ministry of Culture, SPIC-MACAY and IRCEN. The students have performed in UK, USA, Spain and many countries in Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia and others. The students have performed in various festivals such as Khajuraho, Natyanjali Chidambaram, Ananya Dance Festival. Together, they form the Abhinaya Pranita Kuchipudi Art Society, under which they continue to train several art enthusiasts. They currently teach at Delhi Tamil Sangam, R.K. Puram, Sector 5, and Triveni Kala Sangam, Mandi House. We would like to present a small documentary on the life of Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti.
Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti is a well-established name in the field of Kuchipudi. Her work to develop Kuchipudi is par excellent. For her contributions to the field of teaching and propagating Kuchipudi for half a century, Sangeet Natak Academy has produced a documentary, The Life and Works of Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti, in the recent past. She was born to Srimati Kavali Seshasai and Kavali Sri Ram Murthy at the then small town Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. Her father was a lawyer by profession and mother a homemaker who was ambitious to dream big for her daughter. Noticing her talent for dancing at a very young age, her mother enrolled her to a nearby dance class and kept it a secret from rest of her family till Sita was able to reach a considerable prowess in the art. Then the mother-daughter duo were encouraged by the family to move to Hyderabad to continue her training in Kuchipudi under the able guidance of Srimati Sumati Kaushal. She completed her Rangapravesham very soon. Now Sita at this stage wanted to take up Kuchipudi as her profession. They then moved to Chennai to learn from Kuchipudi maestro himself, Guru Vempati Chinna Satyam, who was establishing Kuchipudi Art Academy. She received Natya Visharada within 2 years and was asked to assist in teaching by her Guru. She conducted several performances alongside Guru Vempati and continued to train a few thousand artists in Kuchipudi Art Academy for 15 years, both in regular class and workshop formats. She continued performing in his dance dramas in major roles and was actively involved during his choreographies of solo numbers as well as the dramas. Hindolam Tillana was choreographed on her for her Rangapravesham by Padma Bhushan Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. She also headed teaching at Hyderabad branch of Kuchipudi Art Academy. She then returned to Chennai to continue her classes at Chennai's Kuchipudi Art Academy. After her marriage to Shri P. Nagajyoti, who was also training at the academy in Kuchipudi, they moved to Delhi with an ambition to establish Kuchipudi in the north. Continuing to perform alongside teaching, they established Abhinaya Pranita Kuchipudi Art Society and conducted regular classes at Delhi Tamil Sangam, Vasant Vihar, Subrito Park, Palam, Pitampura in New Delhi. Currently, they are also teaching at Triveni Kala Sangam. They have taught Kuchipudi to several foreign nationals who came to learn and enrich their knowledge about Indian culture. They together trained many students who completed their Ranga Pravesham. They are also very actively involved in guiding these youngsters to become professional artists of Kuchipudi. Over the years, they have led their disciples to earn scholarships in Kuchipudi from the Ministry of Culture, both at senior and junior levels. Their disciples have performed for ICCR and have become teachers of Kuchipudi abroad through ICCR. Sita and Nagajyoti have shaped their daughter Abhinaya Nagajyoti as a Kuchipudi artist, performing the world over and teaching Kuchipudi. In the recent past, they toured several African countries for the Festivals of India Abroad organized by Government of India. Guru Sita Nagajyoti instills not only the style of Vempati in all her disciples through performance, but also encourages scholarly discipline in them to educate themselves in the art through not only self-research but also enrolling into formal Kuchipudi courses provided by universities such as Potti Sri Ramulu. She is also shaping them into research scholars. Several of her disciples are training as doctoral research scholars from JNU. She herself was a recipient of National Fellowship of Ministry of Culture, Government of India, for which she researched on Vritti and Pravritti of Natya Shastra and their application and usage in Kuchipudi. For her contributions propagating Kuchipudi all her life, several national and international organizations have felicitated her with numerous awards and accolades in the past 5 decades. She has conducted workshops and classes at England and USA in the past decade. Her disciples are graded Doordarshan artists and have performed for several festivals like Khajuraho Dance Festival, Chidambaram Natyanjali Festival, Mahabalipuram Dance Festival, Sangeet Natak Academy Yuva Mahotsav, Nada Neerajanam at Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam, Delhi International Art Festival, Kuchipudi Tableau of Republic Day Parade, Kalakshetra Foundation, and conducted demonstrations for SPIC MACABE and IRCEN. Under her guidance, several online workshops for professional Kuchipudi artists were conducted alongside the regular classes. Guru Srimati Sita Nagajyoti remains one of the few artists who proudly continues her Guru's legacy, Padma Bhushan, late Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam.
I'm really honored to welcome you, ma'am. Our chief guest for the evening is Mrs. Amita Prasad, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Culture. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here, spending this evening with us at this performance. We also wish to convey our heartfelt thanks to Srimati Shyamashri Sharma, Core Committee member of the Foundation of Developed India, and Tati Pamala Srinivasa Sharma for facilitating this program here at CSOI. Thank you so much. Now we will have the auspicious lighting of the lamp. May I request our chief guest, Amitaji, our gurus, Sita ma'am and Nagajyoti sir, and Shamaka to please come on stage and do the honors. I now request Shamaka to felicitate our chief guest and our gurus. Thank you so much. Another feather in the cap of our Kuchipudi gurus is the Foundation for Developed India. Foundation for Developed India is an NGO formed and run by Dr. Deepak Yadav and Abhinaya Nagajyoti that aims to promote both education and culture. Since its inception in 2018, FDI has conducted lecture demonstrations by important artists like Nritya Pillai, Kirtana Siddhaya, who voice alternate views on traditional art forms. It has also, with the support of Government of India and private individual donors, recorded music specifically used for Kuchipudi performances. With the support of FDI, we are proud to present today's Kuchipudi rendition, Namo Rama. We begin today's Kuchipudi dance presentation, Namo Rama, with the beginning of creations. It is believed that Lord Vishnu takes various avatars on earth to protect the beings of the earth. The evolution of life begins with him. He comes in the form of Matsya, the first living being that evolved on earth. Modern science today says life began in water. He moves to becoming Kurma, a more complex being that could also live on land, then becoming an anthropomorphic figure of Varaha, a boar who saves Bhumi, the earth, who was curled up in the clutches of Hiranyaksha by killing him. Vishnu then takes the avatar of Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion form, appearing from a pillar, indicating that Vishnu lives in the smallest of twigs as well as the largest of creations. After taking the avatars of Vamana and Parashurama, he takes the form of Lord Rama, who became the centric figure of Hinduism in the coming years. He was born in the Treta Yuga. Revolving around him is the Ramayana, a life story imbued with symbolism. He is depicted as an ideal man representing righteousness, compassion, sacrifice, duty, and leadership. His life depicts a culture that should be. He is Purushottama, upholder of Dharma. Today's Kuchipudi presentation, Namo Rama, bows down to him for showing us the path towards an enlightened future. So, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Dashavataram.
नक्षत्रक्षयं कुर्वते पौलस्त्यं जयते फलं कलयते कारुण्य मातल्विते म्लेच्छान् मूर्छयते दशाकृति कृते कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः
तक्कधीन्त ताहत धीनुत तद्धीनुत धानु धडिंकि तजं तरित तजं जं तरित तजं तरित झं तकरीकि न तडि कुडिडि कुडिडिकि कुडिंकि तडि कुडिडि कुडिडिकि कुडिंकि कुतक्कि न नगत कुंद तरित किं तक्कि ತಕ ಕಿಟ ಕಿರ್ರಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
ಘಾಟಪು ಕಲಿವಾಧಲು ಮಾನ್ಪಗ 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 ನೀಟುಗ ಕರವಾಲಂ ಪೂನಿ ನೀಟುಗ ಕರವಾಲಂ ಪೂನಿ ಘೋಟಕ ಮುನನೆಕ್ಕಿ ದುರಾತ್ಮುಲ ಘೋಟಕ ಮುನನೆಕ್ಕಿ ದುರಾತ್ಮುಲ ಗೀಟ ನಚಿನ ಕಲ್ಕ್ಯವತಾರ ದುರಾತ್ಮುಲ ಗೀಟ ನಚಿನ ಕಲ್ಕ್ಯವತಾರ
ತಧಣ ಧಣತ ದಿನ ಕಿರ್ತ ತಾಹತ ಝಣು ಧಣತ ಝಣು ಜಗಕುನ ಕಕು ಜೇ ಜೇ ಜಗಕಿನ ಜಗಕುನ ಕಕು ಜೇ ಜೇ ಜಗಕಿನ
ಸುರಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಲದಿ ಪೊಗಡಗ 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 ನಿರತ ಮುನಿದ ಅಸುರ ಪ್ರೋಚಿಯು ನಿರತ ಮುನಿದ ಅಸುರ ಪ್ರೋಚಿಯು ಪರಗ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಪುರಮುನ ವೆಲಸಿನ ಪರಗ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಪುರಮುನ ವೆಲಸಿನ ವರದ ರಾಜದೇವ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ಸುರ ಭೋಜ ಪರ
ತಂಗಡ ತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತಾ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತಾ ದೇ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತಾ ದೇ ತಾ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡ ತಕ ಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ದಣತ ತರಿ ಧಣದ ತರಿ ಧಣದ ತರಿ ಧಣ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ದಣದೈ ತರಿ ಧಣದೈ ತರಿ ಧಣದೈ ತರಿ ಧಣ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ತಗ ತದಕಿಟ ತಗ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ತಗ ತದಕಿಟ ತಗ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ತದಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ತದಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ ತಕಿಟ ತದಕಿಟ ಧ್ರುಗುಡ್ದ 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 ತದ್ದಿಂ ನಿತ್ತ ದೀಂ ತಗ ದಾಂ ತನತ ಝಣು ದನತ ಝಣು ತದನ ದನತ ಝಣು ದನತ ತಾ ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿತ ತೈ ದತ್ತ ತಂಗು ತಗ ತರಿಗಿಡ್ದ ದಿನ
The next item is the Sri Rama Stuti. This is the central piece of today's Kuchipudi presentation, Namo Rama, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu, emphasizing the drama or Nataka element of Kuchipudi. This 16th century Awadhi poem of Tulsidas is from his work Ramcharitmanas, that is the story of Rama. This stuti choreographed for today depicts the Sita Rama Vivaham, that is the marriage of Sita and Rama, Sita Paharanam, that is the abduction of Sita by Ravana while Rama is distracted by Maricha in deer form, and Ravana Vadhanam, the war ending with the killing of Ravana. Ramcharitmanas has been inspiring generations of bhaktas, not only in Sanatana Dharma, but also Jainism and Buddhism. In the iconography, he holds a Dhanush Ban, a bow and an arrow, and stands in Tribhangi. The choreography also draws its inspiration from and evokes the imagery created by the timeless paintings of Raja Ravi Varma. We present to you Sri Ramachandra.
झम तरी ता किट झम तरी ता किट झम तरी तदा तदिगिन तदा किट झम तरी ता किट झम तरी ता किट झम तरी तदे तदिगिन तदा किट झम तरी ता किट झम तरी ता किट झम तरी तदा तदिगिन
दानव दैत्य वर्षनि
Tillana, composed by Sri M. Balamurali Krishna, set to Brindavana Saranga and Adi Talam. It brings out the beauty of the technical aspect or nritta of Kuchipudi. It also explores the various formats of a group presentation and ends with an innovative amalgamation of tradition very unique to Kuchipudi. This is the Tambala Nrittam or plate dance, where Kuchipudi dancers balance themselves on the rim of a brass plate and perform intricate feet movements set to interesting rhythmical patterns. The choreography has carefully included the typical Kuchipudi movements on talam that would be recited by the dancers themselves while they perform on the plate. Today's show has been choreographed and conceptualized by Guru Srimati Sita Nagajoti and Guru Sri P. Nagajoti. So, ladies and gentlemen, Brindavana Saranga Tillana.
Deem tanana tillilla da tillana natredi 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 tanana tillilla da tillana natredi 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 tanana tillilla da tillana natredi 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 tanana tillilla da tillana natredi 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 natredi
ta ta jam takita dikita tongita nangita ta 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 jam ta 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 jam ta 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 jam ta 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 jam 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 ta ta jam
wish to convey our heartfelt thanks to all the people who made this program possible. We thank CSOI and its committee for giving us this opportunity. Our chief guest, Mrs. Amita Prasad, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Culture, who made time to come here and be with us here this evening. Srimati Shamashi Sharma and Srinivasa Sharma for making this event possible. Thank you so much. Makeup man Gaurav Gupta, light man and special effects team Atulji and Anilji, camera team Rahul Yadav, technical staff of CSOI. Thank you so much. Delhi Tamil Sangam for providing continuous support for our untimely long rehearsals. We also wish to thank our audience whose presence is a great source of encouragement to our young dancers. Thank you so much. And all the parents who have been really encouraging and motivating their wards to really, come here and perform and been with them through their rehearsals and been here for the program. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. And have a great evening.
Thank you so much, everyone who is present here, ma'am and everybody. I am really thankful and actually I'm shaking. Thank you for this opportunity for us to perform. I would like to introduce all our artists just for 2 minutes. Please come. Aparna Reddy. Please give a huge round of applause for Aparna Reddy. She's a post-graduate scholar. And she's been learning dance and performing for at least a decade now. Keertana Subramaniam, the youngest of our team today. She's in class 6th, sorry, she's in class 6th. A huge round of applause for Keertana. Rudra Vaishnavi Karanam. She's a Swachhamaina Telugu Ammai. And she's been learning dance for more than a decade. And very talented person in our group. Anisha and the parents have been involved in today's costume design. A huge round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Philomena. Thank you so much, Anisha's parents, to have contributed so much to the group. Thank you. Kavya Gopalakrishnan. She has also been learning for more than a decade. She's a student of class 12, I believe. Class 10, sorry. Class 10. And I must introduce at the same moment, please come Didi, Professor T.G. Rupa, who has been not only in our announcements today, but the Sri Ramachandra rendition has been sung by her and recorded by her, and she dances with us. She's actually a dancer. I have made her do the hosting today. Thank you so much, Didi. And she's the mother of Kavya Gopalakrishnan. So they both perform. Thank you, Didi. Aishwarya Nair. She's been a recent addition and a very beautiful addition, I must say, to our group. She's been learning in Triveni Kala Sangam Mandi House for the past 1 year, and she's a great Kathakali artist. She also receives CCRT scholarship for the same. And finally, Sai Sirisha Bamidi, who's been associated with us since I think she was 5 years old when she joined. Right now she's working professional at JNU. She's doing her internship, and she's completed her master's in biotechnology, and very qualified and a great dancer. She has also completed her Ranga Pravesham in dance in Kuchipudi in the year 2018. She performed at Delhi Tamil Sangam. Thank you so much, everyone, to have come here today.
We would also like to thank Abhinaya Nagajyoti for, continuously having these rehearsals and pushing the girls to do so well. Abhinaya, if you can just join the group. I request our gurus, Sita ma'am, and हमारे chief guest Amita ji, please come on stage for a photograph.